It is a journey that starts with understanding what is in your inventory that relies on public key cryptography, which is the crypt that is vulnerable to being broken by a quantum computer. I would encourage people to not just think of the challenge being your encrypted data. People often think of quantum computers as a threat to encryption and privacy. It's not your secrets in terms of data that are at risk. It is your secrets in data, but it is also authentication. Much of our authentication, the things that allow you to access a computer or a network today, relies on this type of encryption that is a public key shared secret. And so that's the part that scares me. We all need to think about what's your threat model. So the US government's threat model, we have to worry about protecting our secrets for decades from the Chinese and the Russians. And so that is the primary use case for I must keep a secret from quantum computer. Many of you in this audience aren't going to be targets of I need to know your secrets from the Russians and the Chinese. And they're the first ones who are going to have quantum computers, right? They're not going to be kids in the basement of an Eastern European country that do ransomware. It's going to be nation states. But those nation states, as I talked about for the critical infrastructure hacks and the intellectual property theft and things like that, that is where the Chinese will go if they have a quantum computer, is the authentication to be able to join your network, steal things out of your network, and go after your network.